History repeats, but my mind an exception. Couldn't go back, I just needed redemption. Gave you my heart, I gave it all in. Lord have mercy, you know of all of my sins. Had a heart, but I broke mine in half. I gave you one part and I kept the other half. Lately when I go to sleep, I can never feel rest. Guess some are so poor, money's all that they have. This something so addictive about all of these things. I'm trying to get sober from all of these pains. There's a higher power watching, I can feel it over me. Yeah, if I got you, then they got nothing on me. 'Cause Lord, I know you always listen. Things will be better, God willing. High hopes, high ambitions. Lord, forgive me for what I've become. I'm not proud of it at all. I'm ashamed of it all. I'm ashamed of it all. I got beads in my hand and faith in my heart. I'm making little changes with every solo word. I'm thankful for this chance to get up and restart. The graves are silent, but they really say a lot. There's more on the line with every word I say. I send a message off and it forever replays. The devil's working overtime to get me off my lane. Sought refuge in the Lord, now he's out of my way. I was given a book, it's been sitting on my shelf. I've been busy in my life, I've been busy with myself. Can't get caught up in this world, asking God for some help. For head on the floor, from God how it felt. From God how it felt. From God how it felt. Lord, I know you always listen. Things will be better, God willing. High hopes, high ambitions. Lord, forgive me for what I've become. I'm not proud of it at all. I'm ashamed of it all. I'm ashamed of it all.
You were sent down to the world to teach us how to live. A mercy for us all, our blessing, our gift. Like the morning sun you rose with a message that would lift this world from darkness. Oh, you brought us out of it. 'Cause the more I get to know, the more I learn to live. Wish that I can be somebody that can live just like you did. And now that I know, my life's been such a bliss. I promise that I'll always keep on doing what you did. Lord, make me someone just like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Robbie, I don't understand it. It's hard these days, can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Robbie, I don't understand this. This pain I feel, can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Robbie, I don't understand it. Why is it hard for me? Why is it hard for me? Why is it hard for me? Oh, Lord, why is it hard for me? Lord, why is it hard for me? Robbie, I don't understand it. It's hard these days, can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. Yeah. History repeats, but my mind an exception. Couldn't go back, I just needed redemption. Gave you my heart, I gave it all. Lord, why is it hard for me? Rabbi, I don't understand it. It's hard these days, can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel, can't stand it. Rabbi, I don't understand this pain I feel, can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage, and the way I feel, can't stand it. Rabbi, I don't understand it. Why is it hard for me? Why is it hard for me? Rabbi, now I understand this. Been hard these days, I'll manage. With you, Lord, I'll get past this. And the way I heal, you planned it. Rabbi, now I understand this.